Okay, so practice problem 2. Find the equivalent equation. So if I have 18 and I'm trying to get to 21, it looks like I added 3 and yeah. So this one, it looks like I added 3, which is not one of the rules. That doesn't work. You have to multiply or divide. Hi, Milo. So the next one, 18 to get to 72. That's times 4. 6 times 4 is 24. 8 times 4 is 32. Looks like I found my answer. Let me just make sure I didn't mess up because this is times 4 and this is times 2. That's wrong. This is times 2 and this is times 3. So everything has to be multiplied by the same number. So it is choice B. Next part, what was done? The original equation was multiplied by 4. Complete sentence, spelling things correctly. Start with a capital letter, end with a period. And you are done.